Are you struggling to grow your business online? In this video, I'll show you the best AI tools every beginner must use to make digital marketing faster, smarter, and more effective in 2025. Let's dive right in. Before we start with the tools, let's quickly understand why AI matters in digital marketing. AI saves you time, improves accuracy, and helps you convert more leads into customers. Now, let's check out the tools. The first and most powerful AI tool is ChatGPT. It helps you create blog posts, ad copies, social media captions, emails, and even video scripts like this one. Instead of spending hours writing, you can generate high-quality content in minutes. The second tool is Canva AI. Perfect for beginners, Canva uses AI to create stunning designs, whether it's social media posts, infographics, ad banners, or YouTube thumbnails. Just type what you want, and Canva generates ready-to-use designs. If you want professional-level copywriting, Jasper AI is a great choice. It's built for marketers and can generate persuasive sales copy, landing page content, and even catchy social media ads that grab attention. The fourth tool is SurferSEO. It helps you write SEO-optimized content that actually ranks on Google. With AI-powered keyword suggestions and on-page SEO audits, you can beat your competitors in search results. Not good at video editing? No problem. Pictory AI turns your blogs or scripts into videos automatically. It adds stock footage, captions, and even background music, making it easy to create YouTube and social media videos. To make your writing clear and professional, use Grammarly and Quillbot. Grammarly checks grammar, tone, and spelling, while Quillbot helps you paraphrase and improve sentence flow. Another excellent tool is copy.ai, which helps you brainstorm and generate complete marketing campaigns. From ad headlines to Instagram captions, it's a creative partner for marketers. So, these are the 7 best AI tools for digital marketing beginners in 2025. From creating content to designing graphics, optimizing SEO, and making videos, AI can save you time and boost your results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And comment below which AI tool you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.